To unstake and create a Phantom wallet, follow these steps. First, understand what the Phantom wallet is. A popular digital wallet for Solana blockchain, allowing users to store, send, and receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. Start by accessing the Phantom Wallet website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create Wallet. Set up your wallet by following the prompts to create a password and save your seed phrase in a safe place. The seed phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access, so keep it secure. To stake your Phantom wallet, you need to have some Solana tokens in your wallet. If you have staked your Solana, to unstake, go to the Stake tab in your Phantom wallet, find the validator you staked with, and click on the Unstake button. Your staked Solana will be unlocked and returned to your wallet after the unstaking period, which is typically a few days. Once your Solana is unstaked, you can use it to create a new wallet or transfer it to another wallet. To create a new Phantom wallet, click on the settings icon in your Phantom wallet, then select Create New Wallet. Follow the same steps as before to set up your new wallet, creating a password and saving your seed phrase. When creating a new wallet, make sure to use a unique password and store your seed phrase securely. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily unstake your Phantom wallet and create a new one, allowing you to manage your Solana tokens and other Solana-based assets securely and efficiently. Always prioritize security and keep your seed phrase and password safe to protect your assets.